Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, it's Mango Tao. Okay, today's video is gonna be on how Mowing the Original began. So ever since I was little, I always loved dancing. I grew up dancing and I always dream of whenever I grow up, I want to start a dance team and compete at dance competition and travel the world. So 2006 had came. I started to recruit people. It was me, my sister, my two cousins, and two friends. So there were 6 of us in this dance team. The dance team name was The Originals. So the first couple of months, everybody attended dance practice and learned some dance moves. Then a couple weeks after that, people just stopped coming to dance practice and saying that this is all a joke and that we would never go far in life. So it was only down to 2 dancers left. It was me and my sister. We were the only 2 dancers in The Originals left. So during the Moan Kansas New Year in 2008 to 2009, me and my sister had competed in the dance competition and we took first place. We were very proud of ourselves because even though we started with 6 and down to only 2, we still stood our ground and competed in a dance competition. So I'm very proud of me and my sister. So after that year, my sister had stopped dancing because of school and work. So then it was just me left in a dance team. So I changed The Originals to Mowing the Original. The name explained it all. So after that, I still compete as a soloist at dance competition, and there is some competition that will accept soloists and some that will not. So that is the disadvantage and advantage to be a soloist dancer. So 2011 and 2012, I have competed at my high school talent show. I took 3rd place. 2011 and 2012, I have competed at Mount Arkansas New Year and took 2nd place. 2011 and 2012, I have competed at Mount Minnesota New Year and I took 2nd place. 2012 to 2013, I have competed at Mount Arkansas New Year and took 1st place. Those are all the competition that I have placed. I'm very proud of myself. Even though we started with 6 dancers down to 2 and now only down to 1, I am still dancing until I retired. Even though I'm a soloist competing with teams with 5 or more people in their dance team, I'm not intimidated by that because judges base off of what you bring to the table and how you do your dance. This year I will compete at Mount Minnesota New Year. I won't tell you guys what category I will compete in. So that's for you guys to figure out. I'll be very glad if you guys come out and support me in this dance competition. Thanks for the love and support. Bye.